Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to clear cache in Brave browser. So to start, open Brave browser. Now what you need to do next is to click the three lines at the top right or the hamburger menu. Once you click that, you need to scroll down and go to settings. So click on settings. Next, what you need to do is to click on privacy and security at the left side. Then click on delete browsing data. Now at the top, select the time frame so you can choose 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or you can click more and choose last 4 weeks or all the time. So I'm going to click all the time and make sure to choose or to click cookies and other site data and cache images and files. So once you click those two, go ahead to the bottom and tap on delete from this device and it will be deleted. So that's how you can clear cache on Brave browser. So again, just open the Brave browser and go to the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings at the bottom and go to privacy and security. Then go to delete browsing data and choose cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Then choose your time frame at the top and click delete from this device. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.